Welcome to our second episode of Saturday Crafternoon, Crafting with Kittens. June is Adopt a Cat Month, where it's always Saturday at the virtual library. We will have cat-themed programs all month long. Today we are partnering with Gato Coffee House Cat Cafe. The adoptable kittens at Gato will be joining us during our kitty cat crafting session. Today we'll be making a DIY kitty cat finger puppet and background. You can use materials you already have at home for today's crafts. You will need a piece of cardboard or poster board, multiple colors of construction paper, clear tape, glue, a light-colored marker or crayon or pencil, and scissors. Make sure to ask an adult to help you or supervise you when you are cutting your materials. Let's go meet the kittens. The adoptable Gato kittens have grown. They can't wait to see you. The kittens are helping me organize my craft materials. Okay, it looks like the kittens are finally ready to get started. For step 1, grab a black piece of construction paper and fold it in half. Use a pencil and a ruler to draw a 4.5-inch square on your construction paper. Step 2. Cut out the square on your construction paper and open it and cut down the center line to create two separate squares. You can set one of the squares aside as an extra in case you mess up or want to create a second finger puppet. For step 3, we are going to be folding our square origami style. Now, this part is a little more complicated, so feel free to pause or rewind and watch as many times as you need until you get it right. Now you've transformed your piece of paper into a kitty cat head finger puppet. Try it on and wiggle it around. Looks like it's kitten approved. Now it's time to make the face. For step 4, grab your pink construction paper and cut out a small heart for the cat's nose. Use your glue to adhere the nose to the finger puppet's face. Make sure to leave room for the cat's mouth and eyes. Step 5. Use your yellow construction paper to cut out 2 small circles for the cat's eyes. Adhere them to the finger puppet's face with your glue. Now, cut out 2 thin black strips for the center of the cat's eyes and glue them on. Wow! The kittens love it already! Just a few more steps. For step 6, use your light-colored marker, pen, pencil, or crayon to draw the kitty cat's mouth. Now it's time for the whiskers. For step 7, grab your white paper and cut 6 thin, short strips for the kitty cat's whiskers. Use your glue to adhere them to the kitty's nose. Looks like the kitty cats approve of their new friend. Now it's time for your bonus craft. Let's make a backdrop for the kitty cat finger puppet. Grab your piece of cardboard or poster board and choose the construction paper colors you want to use to design your backdrop. I'll be making an outdoor backdrop for today's bonus craft. First, cut out a blue strip of construction paper to fit your cardboard piece. Make sure you adhere the blue paper with your glue stick to the cardboard. Now, grab your green construction paper and cut out a few shapes to make up the hills. Glue your hills on the blue construction paper with your glue stick. The kittens are loving their backdrop already. Now, use your yellow or orange construction paper to cut out a circle for the sun. Cut out small triangles for the sun's rays and use your glue stick to adhere it to the blue sky. Now grab your white construction paper and cut out some clouds. Glue them onto the sky. Now we're finished! Let's give the kittens a puppet show. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Crafting with Kittens. Remember, all the kittens you see today are adoptable. Happy Catter Day!